back to my channel. I'm LaDonna and I'm back with another video. I am back with another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys what I got in my little Macys beauty bag for the month of January. Y'all forgive me. I had to look. I did receive the bag for December, and I ain't film it. I know y'all gonna kick my ass. And I got some pretty nice stuff in here. I don't even remember what I got, but I apologize. But I did get the bag. I am so sorry. October, November, December. It was a lot that went on that month. Y'all can do a story time. Anyhow, I got I have the Macys beauty bag for the month of January. And I like this bag. We finna get into it. So y'all just hold on a minute. Grab your snack or grab something, because we finna go through these products. This is a nice freaking bag. This is our Macys beauty bag for the month of January. This is so pretty. This is such a beautiful freaking bag. This is so pretty. I'll make sure to leave the information down below regarding this bag too, for those of you who are interested. But it's so pretty. It says LAMER. I think that's LAMER. We got a LAMER bag. This is so dope. So cute. So I'm gonna go through this bag really quick. Again, the information will be down below if you're interested in this bag. I think it's like $14 a month, and then you get like 5 to 7 products, I believe, like smaller size products, miniature. I want to say they're deluxe size items, but I want to say they're a step below the deluxe size items, just so y'all know. And sometimes you get a full product, but I don't know. It's really mostly sample items. So anyhow, and then you get like a bonus item sometimes. I don't know. This is like my third or fourth month. So y'all know how I do. I just get the shit. I just get it and show y'all here. Okay. So anyways, they have some nice products in here. This is like a LAMER. What do you want to call it? Like a LAMER takeoff, or what do you call it? Takeover little bag. Anyways, this is the first product, and this is a foaming cleanser by LAMER. For those of you who know, LAMER is expensive. LAMER costs you some money, baby. So we got a cleanser in here by LAMER, and you better best believe I'm gonna use it. So this is a foaming. It's called the Essence Foaming Cleanser. So that is a cleanser right there. We definitely gonna use this. We definitely gonna use this. What else? We have a LAMER Rejuvenating Night Cream right here. Nice, very nice. We have a LAMER Moisturizer Fresh Cream right here. Then we have a LAMER Eye Concentrate. I want to say this is an eye cream. So right here, I would have to believe it's an eye cream. So we have an eye cream right here. Boom. Right there. I want to show y'all, but I don't want to waste it because hell, that's barely in there. And then lastly, we have another LAMER product. This is a LAMER Moisturizer Cream, okay? It's so tiny. Uh-oh. But okay. We're going to use this, baby, okay? So that is a moisturizer cream. That's really nice. And then I do believe our bonus item is this cute little bag. So that is our Macys Beauty Box bag, y'all. That was definitely a little LAMER takeover bag, and I'm here for it. I like that. I use all these little products, y'all. I do. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it in my bathroom. And when I take my makeup off tonight, I'm gonna try to use these. If not today, it's gonna get used. So, boom. Look at this color, y'all. She's so pretty. This is so pretty. So, boom. That is it for this Macys beauty bag for the month of January, y'all. Please give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see all you beautiful, blessed individuals in my next video. I am Madonna. And I'm out. Bye, y'all. Bye. 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 Bye.